Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk here in 1929. Burke? The Guardians of Burke? No, not the Guardians of Burke. A vehicle, and wow, you have got to check out this. That is a wow. That paint job. That is just enough to oogle over for a few minutes. Let's find something else. Oh, no way. They did the wheels, too. Now, yeah, that's cool. Now, you can't see it from here, but let me angle. Yeah, see? There you go. Flames. Hidden inside of it, where the camera can't see them unless you angle it just right. Oh, check this out. That's how you get it. I was wondering, there didn't seem to be any knobs anywhere. Smart. Check out this and more on Willis Talk.